Why are you late today? I had a fight. A fight? With who? My alarm clock. Your alarm clock. Okay, who owned uh, the alarm clock? Why didn't you just open your eyes? I did. One eye. One eye? Why not the other? It didn't agree. Didn't agree. It's an eye, not a parliament. Exactly. So I went back to sleep. You are telling me one eye can veto waking up? Yeah, it's stronger. I always walks fast. And the other one? Silent, but clearly plotting. Oh, I'm done. Take a seat before your eyes stage another cope.